So friends, welcome to you in our YouTube channel English Speaking Course Shiroda, and now you can see here are our students and they are here for group discussion and they will talk about language, Marathi language and English language. May they commit some mistake, so you ignore their mistakes and cheer up them. So students, are you ready? Yes. Okay. So now first you tell your name and then after you have to start on which side would you like to talk. Okay? Start.
Hello friends, here is Nidhi. I like to talk about English language. If you know English language, then we can give speech in English.
We have seen in so many places everyone likes to give Marathi speech, am I right? So if you know English language then you can give speech in English, so it can create a good impression, am I right? Yes.
Hello friends, here is Shubham. I'll, I'd like talk to the Marathi language because Marathi language is a reading very easy.
Okay, he's talking about Marathi language is easy to read, we can read very easily.
In a TV, we can see the English song of the any program and song. Hello friends. Hello friends. Here is Arshada. I like to talk about English Marathi language. We are Marathi people, so we can express our thought through the Marathi language.
Okay, she's talking about in Maharashtra mostly people are using Marathi language. So, with the help of Marathi language, we can express our thoughts. Also, we can put our views very well. Also, front people can understand. If front people know, front person know very well Marathi, then he can understand what we want to say.
Hello friend, here is Mangesh. I will talk about English language. If we know English language, we can talk with foreigner.
We can talk with foreigners. Yeah.
Hello friends, here is Arya. Now I like to talk about Marathi language. Marathi language is important. We can solve Marathi paper easy.
Yes, there are so many grammars, also other concepts are there, so we can solve very easily.
Uh, Hello friends, my name is Raj.
Talk loudly.
I like to talk English language. If you know English language, interview time usually is English subject.
He's talking about nowadays we can see everywhere uh, we can use or it's prefer English language. So if you know English language, then you can give your interview in English. And if you have studied well in on English subject, then you can give very well and you can give easily your interview.
If you English knowledge, then
If you have.
if you have English knowledge, then we can read storybook, also literature.
Sakshi take.
In Marathi is our mother tongue. We should res- respect Marathi language.
We should respect our Marathi language. Yeah.
Marathi language is a very easy for a reading.
Yeah, Marathi language is easy to read. Yes.
Also, the people are using English language to um, anywhere.
For communication, am I right? For communication, yeah.
If we know English language, we can solve English paper.
Yeah, we can solve English paper very easily.
In Marathi language, in Marathi language there are lots of literature, so we can improve our knowledge.
We get good knowledge. Also, we can read it. We achieve or we gain lots of knowledge.
So many English learning classes available. Many people like Marathi language. Our our mother tongue.
Because Marathi is our mother tongue.
Mother. All Maharashtra talk in Marathi language. We can go anywhere to a picnic. We can see a road, a board of English of written. We can read that board and communication.
So we get the direction where we want to go. Am I right? Yes.
Marathi language is easy from a Marathi paper.
In Marathi.
In Marathi paper.
Completed. Okay, students, you have talked here well, but you want more practice to improve your talking speed. Okay, improve your speaking speed. Got it? So you have to try well. Got it? Again, I will take your group discussion. So there, I want improvement. Understood? Okay, so once again, thanks that you have participated in this group discussion and you have given your best. Okay, so thanks for watching our video also to all audience. And if you like this video session, then do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.